set fire to your set. Poke a stick at a sticky bear. Eat your private date. Use your private parts as piranha bait. This is a dumb way to get your toast out. Take your own life. Teach yourself how to die. Eat a 2-week-old. Dumb ways to die. So memories. Eat medicine that's out of date. And eat medicine to make yourself well. Teach yourself. Scratch a drug dealer, psycho killer. Take your helmet off inside. Use a clothes dryer. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Keep a rattlesnake as a snake. Sell both your kids on the internet. Sell both your knees on the internet. Eat a tube of super glue. Dress up like a wasp for no good reason. Stand on the edge of a train. Drive around the boom gets at a level crossing.
Beat around trains, a message from Metro.